निर्माण नो अभिगम कल्याण हो छात्र नो हरदम उच्च अभ्यास नो शिक्षण
महर्षि गुरुकुल महर्षि गुरुकुल महर्षि गुरुकुल महर्षि गुरुकुल महर्षि गुरुकुल।
Hello kids, how are you? Welcome back. I like to see your smiley face. I like to see your smiley face. I like to see your smiley face. Okay children, now we are going to start the lesson pre-number concept. Okay children, what we will learn today? Pre-number concept. Okay, I have pieced 2 balloons. Do you know why one balloon is big and one balloon is small? Now the concept is big and small. The concept is big and small. Big यानी बड़ा और small यानी छोटा. Big यानी बड़ा, small यानी छोटा. You will do with me. Big, small, big, small, big, small. Okay, this is called pre-number concept. Big, small, big, small. Okay children, this balloon is big and this balloon is small. Okay, now I will show you one more thing. What is this? This is watermelon. What is this? This is watermelon. You have seen watermelon? You have eat? Okay, every day you are eating. Okay, very good. The watermelon is big. Watermelon is big. Watermelon is big. And now this is apple. This is apple. Okay, apple size is big? No, it is small. Yes. Okay, the apple size is small. Okay, watermelon is big. Apple is small. Okay, children, do you understand what is big and what is small? See, this balloon is big. This balloon is small. Yellow balloon is big. Red balloon is small. Watermelon is big. Apple is small. Now I will show you one more thing. This is cloud. What is this? This is cloud. The cloud is big. Cloud is big. This cloud is big. Now another cloud. This cloud size is small. आप लोग स्काई में देखना, बहुत सारे बादल बड़े बड़े होंगे, बहुत सारे बादल छोटे छोटे भी होते हैं. Okay, so this is a small cloud. Okay, children? Do you understand what is big and what is small? This is big balloon. This is big watermelon. This is big cloud. Okay, the red balloon is small. Red apple is small. And white cloud is small in size. Okay, children. Now I am going to show you one more thing. That is elephant. Elephant is big or small? Do you know? Yes, elephant is big or small? No, it is small. It is big? Okay, elephant is big in size. Just see, elephant is big and not anything small. I am going to make what will be the small object? That is rat. That is rat. The rat is small. Rat is small. Okay, children? These objects are small. These objects are big. Okay? It is big object. B-I-G, big. And S-M-A-L-L. It is small. Okay, children. Now I will show you one more thing. What is this? This is a ball. This is a ball. Big ball. You have ball? Everyone at home? Big ball? Okay. Now I will make small ball. Okay? This is a small ball. This is big ball. This is small ball. Okay, children? Do you understand what is big and what is small? आप घर पे कोई भी चीज लेना और आप देखना ये बिग है कि स्मॉल है, बिग है कि स्मॉल है, आपको घर पे देखना है. ठीक है? नाउ I will show you one more thing, and that is tall, short, tall, short, tall, short. Okay, children? आपको पता है? My father is very tall. My father is very tall. Or and I very short. I very short. Okay. Tall means lamba. Tall means lamba. Short means chota. Short means chota. Now see. What is this? This is a tree. आप लोगों ने ट्री देखा है? हाँ. Okay, nice. This is a tree. Just see, I am testing. Okay, this is tree. Now, what is this? This is also a short tree. Okay, children. This is tree. Now, what is this? Which tree is tall? This or this? ये है कि ये है? This one? No? This one? No? This one? Yes, this is tall tree. So, this is tall tree. Okay? And now, this is short. S-H-O-R-T. Short. Short means छोटा. ये शॉर्ट ट्री है कि ये है? ये है. ओके चिल्ड्रन, दिस इज short tree. Okay? Do you understand what is tall and what is short? Your father is tall and you are short. Okay? Now I will show you some objects. What is this? This is a scale. What is this? This is scale. Scale is tall or short? It is a tall scale. लंबी है, देखो. And now this is another scale. This scale is tall or short? This is short, like you. Okay, this is tall and this is short. This scale is tall, this is short. Okay children, now I will show you another thing. What is this? This is a bottle. This bottle is tall or short? Short or tall? It is tall. Now I will show you another bottle. This is tall or short? This bottle is short. ये bottle कैसी है? छोटी, आपके जैसी. And this is like me, big. ये tall है, कैसी है? Tall. And this is short. This is tall. This is short. Okay children, now I will show you another thing. This is a book. This is a book. A book is a tall or short? Book is tall. A book is tall. There is another book. This book is short. Just see the difference. This book is tall and this book is short. Okay children, this is tall and this book is short. Okay? Do you understand what is tall and short? Okay children. Okay? Now I am going to draw something. What is this? Just tell me. सबके घर पे ये होता है, सब मुझे बताना. क्या है ये? ये लैडर है. क्या है? सीढ़ी. आप सबके घर पे होती है ना? ओके, देखो ये क्या है? लैडर. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू मेक अनदर लैडर. Just see, you also try to make at home. Okay, this is a small ladder. This is short. Just see, this ladder is tall and this ladder is short. This ladder is tall. It is tall. And this ladder is short. आप सबके घर पे सीढ़ी है ना? किसी के घर पे लंबी होती है, किसी के घर पे छोटी होती है. ओके, तो ये क्या है? Ladder. Now I am going to make one more thing. Just see. फिर मुझे बताना हाँ आपके घर पे है कि नहीं है. What is this? This is flower pot. What is this? This is flower pot. Okay. Now I will make another flower pot. Okay. Children, just see. Okay, this is a tall flower pot. This is short. This flower pot is tall. लंबा है ये. And this flower pot is short. आपके घर पे tall है कि short? है ना? Okay, very good. Now once more we will revise the topic. Okay. Now see. First of all, what we have learned today? Pre-number concept. Pre-number concept. That is big and small. Big and small, big and small. Watermelon, big. Apple, small. Cloud, big. This cloud, small. Elephant, big. Rat, so small. Ball, big. This ball, small. Okay. This is the object of big and this is the object of small. Now children, this is tall and short. Tall and short. This tree is tall. This tree is short. Okay, I have show you some object that is. This scale is tall. This scale is short. Okay. Now this bottle is tall. This bottle is short. Okay, children. Now this is a tall book. This is a short book. Okay, children. Afterwards, we have made a ladder. One ladder was tall, one ladder was short. Now, this is a flower pot. This flower pot is tall. This is short. Okay, children. Now, you understood the topic pre-number concept. Big and small, big and small, tall and short. Today we have learned two topics. Big and small, tall and short. Okay children, you enjoyed? Okay, bye bye.